Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Artista here, and today we are going to go and fuel up the bike because we've got a big adventure starting tomorrow. So let's start it up and let's go head over to the petrol station. So as promised, I did say when we hit 100 subscribers that I would go and do Land's End to John O'Groats. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go fill up the bike, get as much fuel in there as I can, and then tomorrow I'm going to go head off to the start point, which is going to take me a good few hours. I think it's going to take around 7 hours to get there, maybe even 8. It's going to be a long drive, so yeah, either 7 or 8 hours to get there. Then once we're there, we're going to be starting the journey and going all the way up to John O'Groats. So really excited. There's a few different places along the way that we're going to stop, and I'm planning to do a video for each day when I'm on my way there. Hopefully you find that interesting. But yeah, today's video I just want to tell you about kind of the preparation and plans that I've done ahead of going. So for example, I've bought some new kit and new gear. I've had to plan out the route, where I'm going to be going, where I'm going to stay, what stops I'm going to do, and yeah, so a lot of planning's gone into it. I'm really excited to get on the road, and that's it then. First thing I bought was some new trousers. So some of you know that I normally just ride around in like some thick jeans, but I thought it's going to be quite an adventure we're going on. I want to make sure that I've got some decent gear just to be careful, to keep me warm and all that good stuff. So I've got some much thicker trousers which I think will do better, especially if we're going to be going through like the mountains in Scotland. Oh, it's starting to rain. Speaking of rain, the other thing I got was some waterproofs. So I had some before, but I've got some proper waterproofs, so they'll be able to keep me dry if we get stuck in any heavy rain. But at the moment the forecast isn't looking too bad. They say it's going to be cloudy for the first part. There might be some rain later in the week, but yeah, it's not looking too bad at all, especially considering we are coming near the end of the year and we're getting closer to winter. It's not looking too bad, so yeah, good stuff. Yeah, that's one thing I got is the new trousers, and I'm wearing them right now. This is the first time I've worn them out on the bike, and you know what, they feel pretty damn good. They're like a lot more warm. Damn, I've never seen this route so busy before. Just need to find a gap to get out. Okay, we're out. Wasn't a fan of that road. But yeah, I've got the new trousers, and then I was going to get some new gloves because the ones I'm wearing now are like summer gloves, but I remembered I've got some that I had before which are a bit thicker, so I'm going to risk it and take the other gloves, see how I get on, and I can always buy some new ones if I need to in future. I'm keeping the same jacket, but I would like to get a new one soon. At some point I'll get a new one. And then I'm taking a bigger backpack than I normally carry around with me. I did want to get some storage to attach to the bike, but when I looked into it, it seemed like it'd be pretty expensive and a bit of a hassle to actually organise. So for now I'm just going to take a backpack and hope I don't regret it. But when I get the bigger bike, I'm definitely going to get some accessories added on. Anyway, let's go get some fuel. Alright, tank is full, so we're good to go for tomorrow. Where was I? So yeah, I was telling you about the new stuff I've got for the trip. So the main things I wanted to get, like I said, were mainly clothing. I just want to make sure I'm safe, I'm dry, because yeah, it's going to be the longest journey we've done so far. And then what else? So I've done some changes to the microphone, which I'm hoping will make the feedback from the wind noise not as bad. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So yeah, I've kind of added an accessory onto it and moved it about a bit. So I won't know until I come to edit this video, but I'm hoping that I've managed to sort it out. And then I'm trying to pack light. Obviously, there's some essentials I've got to bring, like I want to bring my laptop, stuff like that. And one other new thing I got, which I showed I think in one of the last videos, is the GoPro. So I'm quite new to using this. I normally use the Insta camera. Yeah, I normally use the Insta, but I've been using the GoPro, getting used to it. I'm definitely going to be taking it on the adventure with us. So I've put it on this helmet mount, which I'm hoping will give us some good angles, good shots. kind of want to go down that road. I might turn around. Yeah, let's go down here. I want to go have a look around. Let's have a look down this country road. Pretty windy today. Tomorrow I'm going to set off pretty early. I'm thinking of setting off around 8 in the morning, and then we'll be driving for a good few hours. Okay, now I'm thinking I shouldn't have come down this road. Looks like a dead end. Let's see. But yeah, so it's going to be an early start, hoping the traffic won't be too bad. And then we'll do the long drive to Land's End, and once we're there, we'll be able to chill out for a few hours. I'll probably go film some content for the night before, and the next day is when we start the proper adventure. God, there's loads of gravel up here. I shouldn't have come down this road. This is when you need the adventure bike. So much crap on this road, although it is quite a nice road to have a look around. That's the main point of this video though. I just wanted to give you an update. We are going to be setting off tomorrow on a big adventure. I'm going to be trying to use my new kit and do some different camera angles, try editing the videos differently and make them better. So yeah, the aim for the channel is just keep improving the content. I really appreciate all you guys for subscribing, because we're quite early into the channel. But yeah, thank you for subscribing. If you stick with me, I'll make sure to keep improving the content, and we'll go on more adventures and we'll go further and further. But yeah, looking forward to our first proper long trip, which will be starting tomorrow. But if you're new as well, make sure you subscribe so you can come along for the journey where we're going to be going from Land's End to John O'Groats. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.